right? Oh no, I haven't done that. I was just recording. I haven't memorized. I got it.
She's a little sly chick, never had a hard time being the center of attention. Because every time she wanted something, trust me man, she'd get them. And if a guy tried to smash, eventually she'd let them. I'm not saying she's a hoe, but I'm saying she been with a whole lot of dudes. And most of them are pricks with badass attitudes, still doing vandalism in their late 20s. Is that really who you want in your life, honey? If it is, I guess I see you. Waitress on the men, Jay, you say you love your man, but you dumped his ass on his birthday. What's up with that shit? You know that was a total bitch move, but it's expected for someone who doesn't say excuse me. They say bitch move. You might've got him all fooled now, sweetheart, but I'm about to chew your ass up like a sweet tart. It's your life, who am I to tell you how to live it? But you won't always be cute enough to cry your way out of a ticket. And in junior high we all thought you were cute. Yeah, in junior high my mom thought you were cute. And in junior high we all thought you were cute, but little did we know you were far from cute. And in junior high we all thought you were cute. Yeah, in junior high my pops thought you were too. And in junior high we all thought you were cute, but little did we know you were far from cute. Remember when you and I were in the 3rd grade? Outside the playground we would play patty cake. I would run away when you would kiss me. Who knew 10 years later your personality would make a complete 360? Yeah, just like that. You turned away and never looked back, but looking back, sure I guess I would've acted differently. I take it back, you never meant a single shit to me. I could care less about the memories of history, baby. Now all you are is just a memory that's fading, but I really hope you don't end up lonely. But you know and I know that you're nothing but a phony. Never did I ever think you'd end up in this trouble, sleeping at the DART station waiting for a couple of bucks. Now, look at your luck. You might be out of this town, but you're forever stuck. Yeah, in junior high we all thought you were cute. And in junior high my mom thought you were cute. Yeah, in junior high we all thought you were cute, but little did we know you were far from cute. And in junior high we all thought you were cute. Yeah, in junior high my pops thought you were too. And in junior high we all thought you were cute, but little did we know you were far from cute. Yup. That's about it.